Dear Dr. Levy, have you ever had issues communicating effectively? Many school districts have this problem when communicating with their general public, and the Lexington RV School District is no exception. The lack of communication affects everyone in a school's community. As a member of the Lexington community, I am concerned about this issue. Please consider the following proposal to research the communication problem the Lexington School District is having. The background on this problem. Effective communicating is vital, as effective communication between schools, parents, students, and the community forms the foundation for developing and maintaining partnerships. According to Relations, it helps the student, as it's widely recognized that the more involved parents are in their child's education, the better the pupil performs at school, according to Burgess. These facts show that communication needs to be examined in school systems as it is vital to the school's success. The purpose of this proposal is to assist the Lexington School District in improving their communication with community members. The problem the Lexington School District and community are facing is the lack of communication within the district. According to a survey conducted by the Lexington School District, patrons feel that the school district is not communicating with the community effectively. The school district must take further steps to improve their communication with the community and ensure that the community and school work together. The purpose of this proposal is to research the communication system that the Lexington School District currently has in place and ensure that they are properly communicating with the community. With the help of my research, we can develop a plan of action to implement that will allow the district to communicate more effectively with community members. This plan will help community members feel more involved and better informed about the events and issues the Lexington School District faces. This will allow the school to help students better and help attendance at events improve and help the district flourish overall. So my proposal is, because of the lack of effective communication between the Lexington School District and community, it is harmful for the entire community and has to be fixed. In an effort to help solve this problem, I will use 3 research approaches to gather more information. My first approach will be to search the Lexington School District's website. I will review their policies on communication that are all available on the website, and then I will evaluate how the website itself is used for communication. My second approach will be to interview teachers and community members to ask what specific aspects of communication they think need improved. I hope to survey approximately 20 teachers. I hope to also survey approximately 26 community members. My third approach will be to survey surrounding communities and see how they communicate within their community. These school districts will include Carrollton, Richmond, and Higginsville. I will examine their communication systems and see how their techniques could be implemented into the Lexington schools. For my research, I will need computer and Wi-Fi access to visit the school website, accessibility to teachers for interviews, and a recorder to record interviews with teachers and community members, and also a phone to call neighboring districts and schedule meetings. These approaches will help me identify the root of the problem and develop new techniques to solve it. After information is gathered, I will report my findings and help develop a plan to solve the research problem. Please see my schedule below, outlining all of the dates I will be doing my research and what specific research I will be doing when. A budget has been created below to assist with my plan. As the supplies used will have little to no expense, the budget is focused on my time budgeted for each step in the plan. The deadline for this project is July 20th of 2019. Please review the schedule below, or the budget below. For staff, I am a Lexington community member and am very passionate about the school system and community, so I would be working on this project solely. I have worked with Lexington families at the Kids Corner Baptist Church Summer Program and realized the challenge it is to keep families up to date with every aspect of their child's care. I am qualified and prepared to help the Lexington School District improve their communication plan. I need you to authorize my plan, and as a concerned community member, I ask you to authorize me to continue my research to help improve the communication system in the Lexington School District. Please sign and return the enclosed copy of the proposal to allow me to start my research as soon as possible. I've used many references so far in my research. The importance of effective communicating was referenced online at burgessd.nd. Bridging the Gap Between Parents, Pupils, and Schools, retrieved from www.teachingtimes.com/articles, Bridging the Gap, Communication, Parents, Pupils, Schools.htm. A sample communication plan was referenced online at relations, in, parentheses 2012, October 14, parentheses, period, National School Public Relations Association, period, retrieved from www.nspra.org. Policies from the Lexington School District were accessed online. RV School District, L, period, parentheses N, period D, period, parentheses, period, policies listings, period, retrieved June 22nd, 2016 from SIMBLI, period, eboard solutions.com/SB_e-policy/SB_policy overview.ASPX S=265 and SCH=265. The importance of effective communicating was referenced online at Q, period, parentheses 2019, January 21, parentheses, period, parent and community engagement, retrieved from education.qld.gov.au/parents and careers/community engagement. Please consider my proposal and get back to me as soon as possible. Thank you.